Okay. Hello Twitch, hello YouTube. Bring in the video. What does it think I'm searching for over here? So we are live. Move this over a little bit, move this over a little bit. Maybe like that and that. Okay, that's good. I think I'm gonna do some development. First, let's look over the code that I was. Oh, it's because I had selected, put the cursor there. That's why it's doing that. Okay, that's fine. What do I want to add next? I think I want. Okay, let's go over here. Close the .env, don't want to show you that. A web server with port takes requests at slash ping pig slash ping bot slash int bot id int checks if a bot is online, returns a status update. Now let's we'll do a main.py. So I'm going to start by paying attention to from quart, import quart. Invalid Python interpreter, we can fix that for sure. Poetry shell. And add new interpreter, add local interpreter. Poetry environment, existing environment, bot overlord POC2, yep. Quart, import quart. Then app equals quart of name. Now we're going to register a root app register slash app dot register. Wait, what? Oh, dot root. It's going to be ping bot. No, let's do bot status. And then a quote. And I might have to look at the quart docs for this one, but I'll just take a guess first. And it'll be a get. Is it async def? Async def, yeah. Async def bot status of request. Now, does it work for it to? Hello, Solaris. Thanks for stopping by. I'm thinking I might need two communication queues, one to go this way and one to go that way. So let's actually make this queue while I'm thinking about it. From async.io import queue. QUE, and this is port to interactions equals q dot was it just, oh, it's just q parens, not dot, just q parens. Solaris asks, what are you doing? Well, Solaris, I am working on something I'm calling bot overlord, which is an uptime detector or an uptime monitor for Discord bots. It's inspired by Uptime Robot, but it's going to have the capability to check whether your Discord bot is online, whether that's a bot that you're developing or a bot that you've paid to have in your server. So it's got to be easy to use for people who aren't developers, but it's also got to be like look legit to people who are developers, because I want to get both populations interested. And interactions to port equals that. How do I know that it's gonna? Oh, I didn't even think about that. Huh. I didn't think about the possibility that there would be more than one. Like if two requests come in for two different bots. Did I see that Coding Game is doing a coding contest on 9/14? I did not, but I'm interested now. I'll definitely check that out. I'm thinking that the messages in these queues are gonna have to say are gonna have to carry information on where the request came from and which bot it concerns. This actually is gonna be trickier than I thought, but well, first we'll just make it work with assuming that there's only one bot in the world. So we've got, this is going to wait port to interactions. Solaris says it's in the events tab on the website. Good, cool. I'll check that out later. Port to interactions dot put. And what do I need to put in here? Is this supposed to be a string? Item underscore t. So I assume it can be anything. So I'm gonna call this infodict equals bot ID, and we'll just do 1 2 3 4 5 for now, and we'll do request source maybe equals quote question mark. And what else might I need? I don't know what else I might need, but we'll do that for now. We'll call that good for now. Then we await interactions to port dot get, and then response info dict equals that whole thing. And return response string of response info dict. So that's the web server part. That's pretty simple. We define run port. And that looks like app.run host and port. Was that 127 or was that, yeah. Host equals 127.0.0.1, port equal 5000. And that's it for that. And I don't know if other main, I don't know why I called it other main, but I don't think I want to have something of that name in here. So let's scroll past that for now. So at the bottom here, we run port. Well, my monitor connection is freaking out here a little bit. I don't know why. Now let's get the bot going. Async def start bot pass. I don't think that's relevant. Let's grab these things to get. I'll define the bot after I define the web server. So we need to import interactions. Don't actually need a slash command. We just need this one. Interactions.listen, on ready, logged in as bot.user, await, and what I want the bot to do is hold and check. I'll just call it check bots. And then down here we do async def check bots. And where did I called that main? Where does that live? Async def main. I'm not even going to include the try stuff right now. I'm just going to do the message equals await port two interactions dot get. Is that how I did it? Yeah, communication to dot get. Then we wait. I'm gonna call this hold and check bots. Wait, check single bot. And I know I'm gonna need the bot ID. Async def check single bot of bot ID. Bot ID is not called this info dict because that's what I called it over there. Bot ID equals info dict at oops, bracket what did I call that thing? Just bot ID. Bot ID await we have bot dot fetch guild of call this monitoring guild ID, and we'll set that up over here. os.getEnv. I think I just called it guild ID. Don't forget to import OS. Guild equals that. Channel equals, oh wait. Do I need the channel? Did I do a channel? Oh, that's why I did that. Okay. Members equals guild.members. Bot to check equals members fetch. Why isn't it? That's weird. Maybe it's supposed to be guild.fetch. Yeah. Member of bot ID. Status equals bot to check. Dot status. Does it not have status? We'll just assume that it does. Return infodict equals status spot ID and we do interactions to court dot put return infodict, and now we jump back over here and see what we've done. Interestingly, the request doesn't seem to be. Oh, but that's because I just did a fake bot ID. Okay, I need to go over here, off stream, and check out my environment variables for this. Wait, what? There was already a .env there. Isn't there? Okay. Channel ID, guild ID. Check that I did the right OS monitoring guild ID. That okay. I don't need members equals guild.members. I can just delete it. Just quit. Don't need to right quit. I guess this thing's maybe ready to run. Oh, Python bot whatever slash main.py. Did I screw something up? Oh yeah, malformed URL. I need to look up Python import URL parameters, or I could send it with a JSON. Do it this way. String quote colon name. App.root. I'm actually going to go int colon. Where is it? Bot ID. Put bot ID there. I just request bot ID. Let's see how that is working. Learning request. Request.method request heroes request.args.get. Oh, if it's in there, you'd put it as a function of that. Okay. Of bot ID. Oops, function of bot ID. And you just put bot ID over here. Okay, I'll try this again. That seems to be working. Now, HTTP. It's a get, so I don't have to specify it. So HTTP :// 127.0.0.1 :5000 / what did I call this? Bot status. Bot status / and I need a bot ID, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we got? Maybe nothing. Time for some print statement debugging. What's this complaining about? Oh, let's just run this again. Oh wait, there it did something. What did it do though? Connection closed. Yeah, it just gave up. Let's try this again. HTTP that. No, I didn't do it right somehow. Did I forget to start the thing with the bot? I think I did. Huh. I need the part of the code that starts up the bot. Bot thread is all this. Target run bot. I need to import threading. And run bot is not quite the right thing. Or maybe run bot is the right thing. I just need to copy it. In 91. Oh no, that's not right. I need to see def run bot. Interesting, interesting. So I need to import async IO. Okay, now we can try this. Name run, but it's not defined. Did it reload based on what I was writing? That's interesting. No token provided. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the token in the environment. From .env load import load.env load.env. Try this one. Now it's logged in. Let's progress. Guild.fetch number was never awaited. Oops. Oh yep, definitely need to await that. And it just relaunches itself, which is pretty neat. What's it doing? Status equals bot to check that. Yeah, it's not going to work if I don't give it a good bot ID. So let me see about that. Do I have a good bot ID here? No, I don't. I need a bot ID. I need a bot, people. 1 second, I'm going to be slightly careful because I'm going to be opening Discord on my Mac. So I can get the bot info. Where did Discord go? I bet it went over there. I can put it on up on here without it going there, right? Yeah. There we go. Bring it over here. Go into this test server. Copy user ID. And do I care about hiding the user ID of my test bot? I think I don't. Okay, I'm going to bring my screen back. Oh, it's still waiting. Isn't that interesting? Close 500. Yeah, yeah, that happens. So this time I'm going to do this, except I'm going to use a real bot ID. Make sure that's actually what I've got here. Yeah. Oh, is the server even running? Nope, it's not. We'll fix that. Status colon missing comma bot ID. What? Well, it did something. But what did it do? I don't know what it did. Think about this. Predict bot ID. Bot ID is missing. Oh wait, I want to know what the check single bot did. Response colon quote status missing bot ID whatever. Is it missing because the bot is offline, or is it missing because it doesn't have that information? I guess I could put the bot online and see what happens. It should be running. Yeah, it is. Yep, it's started up correctly. Now it's online. And now if I go over here and I do another HTTP request, what does it do? It says there was a get. Status is still missing. No, wait, we haven't gotten a response yet. What's it doing? Let's shut this down, get a fresh start. There it was. Connection closed, possibly because I closed it. Why was it? Oh, it did it again. It's missing. So let's look at this. Print bot to check. Let's do that. If bot to check was none, we would have had a problem there. So I don't think that's it. Oh, it's missing because I don't have the intent. Yeah. I need to give it presence permissions. All right, I'm gonna go off stream for a while to do that. Update that, and needs a new URL generator with bot and application.commands, and it might as well give it send messages. But the important thing is, where do I see presence? I need to include intents over here. Intents dot presence, skill presences equals true. Okay. And we do a new a new invite for this thing. Add a bot, create commands, send messages. I didn't give it anything else, but I gave it the intent, so that might be enough. Two, three, four. It's taking a while. 5, 6, 7. Still missing. Why is it still missing? Discord permissions, member presence. Discord developer portal. Hmm. It's not one of the it's not one of the voice permissions. I could just give an administrator permission and see if that fixes it. This is a test server, so I don't mind doing that. So yeah, we'll do that. It's taking a while this time. Wonder why. Has something gone wrong? What do Control C? Right there it goes. But it closed the connection because of me. Let's start it up again. Still missing. Did I do the wrong bot when I gave these permissions? No, I did the right one. What permissions do I need to give my Discord bot so it can see if members are online? Would it be activities.read? Select redirect URL. I don't know about that. Maybe guild.members.read. Also, why did it take so long? I don't understand that. I don't know why this isn't working. And let me just see how long it takes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, gosh, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This doesn't make any sense. It should not take this long. Should not take nearly this long. Does it like not be able to do it twice? Would that be a thing? It's still trying. It's trying really hard. I'm guessing. I actually don't know if it is. Let's do one thing here. Oops, this way. Give the bot a slash command. Where is the slash command? Did I give it one? Yeah, there it is. I guess it'll be slash hello. Start this up again. What is the bottleneck? I didn't take that terribly long. Still missing though. Is it seriously the case that it can only run once? That'd be so so frustrating. In bot status. Well, it's sure taking its sweet time. Print done putting into quart to interactions. Well, that time it went pretty quick. So it's Where is it? Where's the one I'm looking for? Bot status, run quart, hello, on ready. Wait, I didn't even say while true. No wonder it's not working. I wonder it only happened once. Huh. That's almost funny. It's also kind of frustrating. So we have local 19-bit bot, but for some reason, bot to check is not giving me status. Let me do some directions pi. Let me search for status. Is that the wrong thing to look for? Can I say get status? I don't know. I'm just guessing at this point. I don't know how it knows to run the whole thing again. It's pretty cool though. Neither user nor member have attribute get status. Yeah, that didn't work. It's status. Hey, thank you for following HuggleZA. Sorry I didn't catch that one a little sooner. I was not always watching my chat. How are you tonight? No, I can be I'm just looking at documentation. I could be doing that on there, couldn't I? Wait, close. Why did it close? Oh, because I changed things, maybe. I don't know. See about this. I don't know why I don't understand why it takes it so long to make it through the queue, like from one end to the other. HuggleZA says, I'm doing fantastic. How are you doing and what are you working on? Well, I'm doing okay, but I'm working on something that I think is kind of cool. This is a uptime monitor for Discord bots. But I can't seem to get at I can't seem to get the status of this. I can't, it won't. So right here I do print status. I'm saying status equals bot to check dot status, and it says status is missing. And I know that doesn't mean that offline, because the bot is definitely online. I think it means that I somehow don't have permission to get that information. So that's what I'm trying to fix now. You can see here status is missing. But I know I'm getting the right, because I print bot to check, and in check single bot, I have local 19-bit bot number 5204. But status is missing for some reason. And I don't know why. Why is bot status missing? That's not going to help me. All right, chat, anyone have ideas? I could use some assistance on this one. The other way I could do this is have, like, say that the bot to be monitored has to respond to a command. But I don't want it to be that bots have to implement a certain command for them to be able to plug into my system. I'd rather just ask the Discord API whether the bot is online or not. Let me go back to, or let me go to interactions.py. Whoa, what? Anyway, to Huggles, any questions about what I'm working on? Questions, comments, whatever? Let's try interactions.py Discord. This will do. In fact, let's search in here. Status. I don't want client because that's the client of my bot. Interactions.py events, API events, discord.py. Interactions model discord user.py status absent. What does it mean that it's absent? Whoa, weird. Huggles says, no questions yet. I'm familiar with Python, but C# is my stronger language. Okay, cool. In the Discord I'm in, we had some people who wanted to do C#, although we mostly ended up doing Python. Absent of status. Import absent. From interactions.client.const import absent. Is absent the same as missing? I don't know what fake user mixin is supposed to mean. And what does it mean that a class is inheriting from itself? That I don't understand. Wait, fake user mixin, fake base user mixin. Okay, no, they're not the same. Never mind. Schedule event, user.py. Reproduce false, default equals missing. Default equals missing. That is interesting. Maybe status doesn't mean what I think it means. Let me see something. That's the activity. That's not the status. So what about... Oops. Let's try .online. I'm just throwing pasta at the wall now to see what sticks, but let's try it. I don't understand why my queue is taking so long to pick things up. It's kind of annoying. Okay, interactions, .py, attribute error, neither blah blah blah. These are not helpful things. Let's try some debug action. So we're going to debug main.py. I should be able to just do it. Oops, need to change this. Status. Go ahead and stop and start again. And it's running. Terminal. Oops, wrong one. HTTP that. Good. Debug. So let's see what I can see about bot to check. Dot bot status fake user mixin display name nickname nick logger remove role client add role user roles dot user. That's interesting. Dot status maybe here. That's still missing. That didn't help me. Activities. Which IDE are you using? Asked Tuggles. I am using PyCharm. Dot ban. I don't want to ban. Banner. Channel permissions. Communication disabled until created at. Def. Disconnect. Discriminator. Display avatar. Edit. Edit nickname. Fetch. DM. Flags from ditch. From list. Get DM. Global name. Guild avatar. Guild permissions. Has permission. Has role joined at. Kick. Member instances. Mention. There's so much stuff. Public flags, remove roles, system tag, timeout to dict, top role, update from dict, username, voice, Huggle says, ah, thanks. VS Code is my default go-to. VS Code is a good one. I happen to like PyCharm a little better. Seems like status is definitely what I want, but the result is definitely missing. Is it that the fetch doesn't bring all the information about the bot? Is that the problem? Let's go on this one. Interactions.py Discord bot status missing. get member, user.status ID, user status equals discord.status on online user status, blah, 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 rest of checks here. PS, you don't need or user status equal discord status dot do not disturb and user.status equal discord.status visible because they mean the same thing as discord.status.offline and discord.status.dnd respectively. That was not very helpful. Why am I getting this issue? Cannot reproduce this error. Also having error. That doesn't seem to be it. Why I want to do the thing I want it to do. Huggle says, can you show the error that you are facing again? Well, it's right here. I'm calling bot to check dot status, and I want status to tell me whether the bot is online or offline, but all that's happening is it's telling me missing, which is not what I want it to give me. And when I here click bot to check dot status, the result here is missing. So it's not exactly an error. It's more that it's a semantic error instead of a runtime error. It's a problem that it's not doing what I want it to do. It's not giving me the type of information that I'm looking for. So there's no error message, but there is, in some sense, an error. I might give up on this for tonight fairly soon, actually, because I'm not sure that I'm going to make much progress on it tonight. I'm going to briefly go off stream because actually that's not that helpful. I don't want to do that. Bot to check is there. Bot to check dot bot. True. Oh, that's just a thing to tell me whether it's a bot. Dot on dot mention dot nickname dot display name dot timeout dot edit nickname dot global name dot username. Let's just see. Local 19-bit bot. Yep. Uggle says the dev cycle. Spend 2 hours on it and can't figure it out. Go to sleep, wake up, spend my 5 minutes and figure it out. Yeah, probably. But I want to figure it out now. By the way, is the thing still waiting for an HTTP? Yeah, it's still waiting for the HTTP response. That's hilarious. Wait, it's been shut down? Oh, no, of course it has, because I'm in debug over here. That's where it's running. I might be done for tonight. Typing it again is not going to help, but I'm going to do it anyway. Status missing. Do I need a different intent? That can't be it, can it? But might as well try that one. Server members intent. Let's try that one. Server guild members equals true. I feel like that's not gonna change it, but let's try. Stop this. Start this one up again. Yeah, that didn't change it. Oops, I forgot to watch my Twitch chat. Nothing new. Okay. Just out of curiosity. Oh, I have to go back to debug mode to get what I want here. Oh, it was already running. Stop and rerun then. Terminal. Debug. Should get to it pretty soon. There it goes. See, my bot has status.online. That's what I want to get from that bot. Why can't I do that? What if I do guild.get member, but I do the bot's self. Copy user ID. That bot that dot status. Huh. Did I get the wrong intent? Let's do just the intents.all. How do I get it to stop? I guess we kill it. Uh-oh. Oh, I requested privileged intents that I haven't given to the bot. That's not going to work. Stop that and try again. Okay, that's working. Go back to debug. Bot. to check dot status go. No, result is still missing. Darn it. Discord get on status of member. How read user status with a bot on server? You can find here Discord.js. You can use either Discord, you can use either user.presence.status or member.user.presence.status. But that's for Discord.py, but let's at least check this. Premium type, that doesn't help me. Client.user to fetch it. We wait, so there's a promise you need to wait it and get the presence from there. Wait a second. What if I did await bot to check dot status? Is that doesn't make sense to me, but I want to try it. I feel like when it's the dot syntax, it's already in Python memory, and saying await is not going to change anything. It's kind of the way I feel about it right now. Object missing can't be used in await expression. Yeah, that did the same thing. So that's not it. Wonder if I should try this with Discord.py. I like interactions better, but maybe I should try it that way. What have I not tried yet? Missing, 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 missing. Yeah, I should stop for tonight. Gonna go to the thanks for watching screen. And gonna call it a night and say thank you for watching.